Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to another wallet on phone. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open wallet, for example Trust Wallet, and click receive. Then enter USDT and choose USDT Tether. We get an QR code and a number to receive. If you have the opportunity to scan the QR code, then scan it and transfer it to this wallet. You can also simply copy the address, click and go to the Binance. Next, go to the wallet and select the spot, click USDT and withdraw. Select the withdraw by address and paste the copied address. Select the Tron network and the amount you want to send. Next, click send and enter the code from your email or phone. That's all. The USDT has been sent and will be credited to the wallet within 10 minutes. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.